Hey, what's up guys? Just making a quick video. So today I'm cleaning my throttle body and my MAF sensor. Look at the inside of my throttle body. Look how dirty that is. That's insane, right? So the MAF sensor, I already took it off. It's literally, it's 2 screws, and then it's a plug. So check out my MAF sensor. This is my MAF sensor. It's like a charcoal, really dirty, gunked up MAF. And so when I'm at freeway speeds, I feel a little slight hesitation on my truck, and I feel like my truck's like hesitating to get onto power. So either I need to change my oil, change my spark plugs, or clean this. So I'm gonna start with this because this is the first thing I haven't done. So yeah, we're gonna start cleaning this whole back area, not exposing this area where it goes in. So just this back part here. So we're just gonna hit it a few times, lightly. Get all that gunk. Now we're gonna hit the center part. All right, so you hit it and then you let it dry. All right, guys, so we're gonna hit it again. I think I sprayed a little too much, but I just want to make sure I'm getting in all the little crevices and stuff like that. So, all right, so we hit the MAF sensor like probably 5 or 6 times with spray. I tried to make sure to get in the inside of this. This is the most important part, I think. All the caked up white powdery stuff all in the inside of this. So I just sprayed some at the top, sprayed some in the middle, sprayed some in the bottom. Then I just sprayed all around. So we're gonna let this sit and dry, and then we're gonna go clean out the throttle body. All right, guys, so it's really tough for me to get a solid angle right here, but I guess we're just gonna spray in this throttle body and then try to open it up and spray a little bit. I don't know if I want to use a toothbrush. I'm just gonna try to use rags and spray and wipe, pretty much. A microfiber towel, so. Okay, now I'm gonna just wipe this off. If I can get my fingers in there, there you go. Get all this gunk and debris off the sides. I don't know how I'm gonna get behind the throttle plate. I have to think of something. It's a little bit better. Whoa. I think I put too much spray right there. Yeah, this throttle body goes kind of deep, so it's really hard to wedge your fingers in there and just wipe around. You have to have really long hands, but also skinny fingers. Oops, just knocked my light out of the way. All right, so how I have this throttle body open right now, but you're not supposed to do it, but I got a pry bar and just put it on the gas pedal. So now I'm gonna just try to spray a little inside, not too much. I really just want to get the back part of the plate. All right, that looks good. So now I'm gonna wipe the back part of the plate. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna have to use some kind of something small. Yeah, I'm not able to get to the back part of the plate. But I sprayed it down. It looks a lot less gunky. Whatever. So we're just gonna let it dry and hope that this stuff does a good job. Oops. Should just slide back into place. Like so. Then we're just gonna screw it down. Someone marked some pink stuff on here, so I think someone cleaned this before. That's the only thing I could think of. The manifold is really clean, so hopefully spraying inside just cleared up some of that gunk. I know a lot of people take these apart and clean the whole thing from the bottom to the top, but I just don't have time for that. I literally have to be at school in like 30 minutes. So I'm just doing what I can to get on the road and make it to the weekend. All right, guys, so we got everything back together. So all there is to do is crank it up and let's see. Hopefully we can get to work today. And yeah, we're still rolling. Hey, what's up, guys? So we got back from a quick test drive, but I just wanted to say the hard body hit 200K. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. I got this truck at 130,000 miles, like 8 or 9 years ago. Now that I daily it, I hit 200K like nothing. So that's crazy. Let's see if we can make it to 300 on the same stock block.